I'm testing out this thing. It came in this box right here. I already did a video on this magnet. Very, very powerful. My issue is that I got another vehicle, and the vehicle I have has a sunroof, but no, it's one of those large sunroofs. It covers the whole roof, so there's no metal. So I'm looking to be able to use this to magnetize my GoPro, this magnet to this one, through the window. So I'm going to test it today. I'm going to do some filming, test it, and see if it stands up to the test. So it's a bunch of magnets. You've seen it before. I stuck it together at home. I couldn't get them apart. It took me forever. So don't stick them together if you have two of them. Oh my goodness, don't. So I got this really light handle for holding, you know, phones or GoPros, and it's pretty light, and I because it sticks so much, I want to be able to just pull it off easily and not have to struggle with it. And I want to have something in the car to pull on to separate the two. So I'll show you real quick. Let's set it up. This is the sunroof, and I'm going to just put the camera on the outside and the other magnet on the inside, and hopefully it stands up to the test. Oh my goodness, I hope this doesn't fall off. It's a it'll be in a very expensive test. And I hope I'm not paying for it. I hope that it will work. So this is where I set it up, right here. I'm going to see if it actually works. I hope my experiment works. So that's the camera. This is the sunroof, the window, and I'm going to stick the magnet on there. Let me make sure it's nice and tight. It is, and oh, stuck very well. All right, let's hope it stays there. My experiment. Hopefully it will. Hopefully it will work. Again, the camera through that. Do this at your own risk. I am not an expert. I'm just trying it out, letting you know my outcome. Your outcome could be different. So do this at your own risk. Please. Do not go by me. I am not an expert. So again, the handle, so I can easily take it off when I need to. Okay, perfect. All right, let's drive. 10 miles later, and it's still connected. We just went over a bumpy road and everything. It is still connected. So I'm finishing off the video here. So I drove today about, I'm gonna say about 30, 40 miles. It drove very well. No issues. I drove over cobblestone bridge. I went through a bridge. I went over a bridge, as I say. I went through a tunnel. I drove in cobblestone streets near Canal Street in New York City. A lot of bumpy, you know, not very good roads, not smooth roads, and it worked just fine. It didn't jostle even for a second. So it's held up for me. I have absolutely no complaints. I'm glad I purchased it. The handle I would suggest so that you can remove it easier, because separating these magnets, it's pretty tough. So again, I'm a regular guy. I'm just showing you what I went through, and if you want to try the same thing. So what I'm doing is, what's nice about having it with the sunroof is I can open it now and access both parts. So I'm going to try to separate both of them, because I parked, so now I got to move it, and okay, it comes right off. No issues. So even though I lost the metal roof, I still can do my videos on my other channel, which is, you know, landscape video. I videotape different areas, different buildings, driving around. I do it mostly for me. I enjoy doing that, having a record of it. Some other people also enjoy watching it. That's drive-through, walkthrough, my other channel. So this feature now will help me continue to do those videos with my GoPro. And no issues. It didn't fall off. Now, I can't say the same will happen with you. Again, I take no responsibility. You do this at your own risk, but it seems to be holding up very well. No issues. All right, I'm going to end the video here. I'm at the end of my trip. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.